Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for the latest tech at affordable prices. Today we've got something really exciting for you, a budget-friendly drone that won't break the bank. Let's dive right into the details. Introducing the E88 drone, the perfect companion for those who want to experience the thrill of flying without burning a hole in their pocket. Priced at just $15 to $20, this drone is packed with features that will surprise you. Now let's take a look at the specs. Frequency, 2.4G, channel 4CH, motor, 816 coreless motor, quadcopter battery, included, transmitter battery, 3X 1.5 AA batteries, not included, charging time, 100 minutes, RC distance, 100 mAh, color, black-white, camera, 1080p, 4K, no, optional, quad size, 25-25.5 cm, arms are not folded, 12.5-85.5 cm, arms crossed. What sets this drone apart? Let's talk about its remarkable features. Foldable arms. Small size, easy to carry. Altitude. Hold mode. Provides stable flight. Wi-Fi function. Connect to the APP for real-time transmission and control. Dual camera. Options. Choose between 1080p or 4K for high-definition images and videos. Headless mode. No need to adjust the position before flying. One key return. Easily find your way home. Trajectory. Flight. Draw a flight path on the screen for autonomous flight. 2.4 G8 technology. Anti-interference for a smooth flying experience. 4 channels. Ascend, descend, forward, backward, left, right, and 360° rolls. 6-axis gyro. Stable flight and easy control. 3-level flight speed. Tailor your flying experience. Durable construction. High-strength engineering plastics for a lightweight yet robust design. In terms of functionality, it's a powerhouse. Up, down, forward, backward, turn left, right, sideways flight, 3-level flight speed, LED lights for visibility, headless mode for easy navigation, 1-key automatic return, altitude hold mode for stable hovering, Wi-Fi FPV for real-time streaming, trajectory flight for an interactive flying experience. And there you have it, the E88 drone, your gateway to affordable aerial adventures. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on this incredible drone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more budget-friendly tech reviews. Until next time, happy flying.